We're on our way to the street fair, which we've shown you before. We've been here before. Just this college is really kind of pretty. They've got a lot of really neat landscaping. It is called College of the Desert. So I'm changing out our damp rid. We have, we put one behind our chairs here up against the wall, and then we have one for each side of the closet. And here are the ones that I just took out. Put all the water in there. And I wish I had the dates on these. I always put the dates. I don't know what happened this time. This one's not too bad. But look at all the water it collects. Not too bad for something that doesn't use electricity. Very important. Don't want mold. Aha! I knew I dated them. This one was in the middle of the closet. So I have 3 in the closet. One on each side and then one straight in the middle. So I need to go buy another one. But it was May that the last ones I bought. Do you have cute little Cupid hair?
Look like alfalfa.
Look like a Cupid doll. Your little alfalfa cowlick. It's actually sticking up in the middle. See, it's not just Saturday mornings he has beautiful hair.
Good morning, Bear. So we woke up to this morning. Temperatures. Most people use one for a refrigerator and one for a freezer. We use one for one refrigerator and the other one for the other refrigerator. So this is the refrigerator that has always worked. This is the refrigerator that I fixed last summer with a new circuit board. Look at that temperature. It was 55. We emptied everything out of it. It went to 56. I went outside, pulled the back off, checked the circuit board. We had a lot of wind yesterday, a lot of dust. I unplugged the firing, whatever it's called, firing mechanism for the propane, blew it out like that since we don't have a can of air, and plugged it back in, and I heard it ignite. Temperature's gone down 1 degree in the last 10 minutes. We will keep our eye on this and see if it's just dirty contacts. and fingers are crossed that there's really nothing else wrong with it. So Bear and I went out for a nice walk. She got to roll in some green grass, and I found more hardware. Look,
ooh,
a drill bit.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Look at that.
The star ones. Cool.
More hardware.
This is better than hardware. This is a tool.
This is a tool. Here's an update on the fridge. When I went outside and reset the circuit board, checked fuses, and reset the igniter switch, we are down about 5 to 6 degrees since I've done that. Notice it says 54, but it was up to 56 at one time. So maybe what I did fixed it. We'll have to wait and see. All right, it is late in the day, and there's our temperature, down to 43. It was 55, 56 this morning before I took the back off and went and worked on the refrigerator. So I think we have succeeded in repairing the refrigerator once again.
Hello.
So how do you think about that?
I think that's awesome. Thank
Okay.
you. Good job.
All right.
Good job.
I'll send you a bill.
What are we doing?
We're going to see somebody.
We are. We had some viewers contact us and want to meet with us. And tomorrow is our travel day, so we're just heading over to the casino right here
Gonna
and go meet up with Bridget and Richard.
Yeah, gonna go have some coffee. Sit
Yeah.
and chit chat for a while.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go.
How are you?
I'm Bridget, and Richard right there.
Howdy.
Bridget.
How are you? Good to meet you.
Oh, okay. That's whoops, where are you? There you are.
Hello.
Well, we just got back a little bit ago from visiting with Bridget and Richard. We had a very, very nice visit, didn't we?
Yes, it was so cool to meet her
Yeah.
because we've already met him.
We did.
And it was
Richard.
just kind of cool to, like, oh, it is you guys.
Yeah. Richard was our very first YouTuber that we met, our YouTube viewer that we met in Oregon a couple years ago. So we had a very, very nice visit, chatted a lot, and Bridget made one of these, brought it to me. It's my favorite color, green. So that's very cool. I was excited. It's too pretty to use as a dish rag. I might just use it as like a coaster or something. But we had a fun time visiting with you guys. Thank you so much for viewing, for watching us, and for asking to meet up with us. It really made our day. Thank you very, very much. See you next time.